Looking for a free PDF editor that actually works without paying for Adobe? Most people don't know about this hidden tool, but it lets you edit PDF files directly from your browser in just a few minutes. To get started, open any browser and search for docfly.com. Open the website, then click on the Upload Your File button. Now select the PDF you want to edit from your device. Whether it's a resume, contract, invoice, assignment, business document, or any other PDF, simply upload it. The upload process usually takes only a few seconds. Once your file has finished uploading, click on the uploaded PDF to open it inside the editor. After the document loads, you can start editing it immediately. Now make any changes you need. You can add new text, edit existing content, insert images, highlight important sections, draw on the document, add signatures, include shapes, or make other adjustments using the built-in editing tools. Everything updates in real time, making the editing process smooth and beginner-friendly. Take a few moments to review your document and make sure every page looks exactly the way you want before downloading it. If you notice any mistakes, you can quickly fix them without starting over. Once you're happy with the final version, click the Save button to save your changes. Then tap on Export and finally click the Download button. After that, select Download File, and your edited PDF will be saved directly to your device. Open the downloaded file to confirm that all your edits have been applied successfully while keeping the original formatting intact. This tool is perfect for updating resumes, editing contracts, filling out forms, correcting mistakes, signing documents, modifying business reports, or making quick changes to any PDF without converting it into another format. The best part is that everything works online. There's no software to install, no complicated setup, and no expensive subscription required. Just upload your PDF, edit it in minutes, download the finished file, and it's ready to use wherever you need it.